with all of the publicity surrounding domestic abuse concerns facing NFL player Ray Rice and a Montgomery federal judge who was arrested in Atlanta, police are talking about whether the punishment fits the crime.
No one is above the law, and as WIAT 42 News reporter Mike McClanahan explains tonight, there can be lifelong consequences for judges and athletes. Mike.
Trey and I sat down with retired federal judge UW Clemon to talk about the standard that judges are expected to uphold and what can happen when they don't. I also heard from domestic violence survivors about why these high-profile cases may actually help victims suffering in silence.
The issue of domestic violence is taking center stage nationally, with video controversy centered on NFL Ravens player Ray Rice and the arrest of Montgomery-based federal magistrate judge Mark Fuller on domestic violence charges. Rice is banned from the NFL indefinitely after the release of the video. Judge Fuller accepted a pretrial diversion offer and is getting counseling, according to a statement issued through his attorney. In that statement, Fuller says that he deeply regrets the situation and that he hopes to return to the bench. But should he? That's a question Congress may have to answer, according to retired federal judge UW Clemon.
And most people assume that that is a lifetime appointment. But the constitutional standard is good behavior. And if a judge's behavior is something less than good behavior, then Congress has the right to impeach that judge. Complaints can be filed against judges where their conduct outside the office undermines public confidence in the judiciary. And I assume that that process has been initiated.
Clemon says that it doesn't matter whether an alleged abuser is an athlete or a judge.
If the conduct occurred, it is improper behavior.
Colina Hill, who is a domestic abuse survivor, says hearing that they are not alone may inspire hope for others.
It makes people think, well, it's not just me, and it's not that something's wrong with me.
The situation with Judge Fuller is now under investigation by the acting chief judge of the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, and Fuller is cooperating fully with that investigation, according to his attorney. In the studio, Mike McClanahan, WIAT 42 News, coverage you can count on.